Assalamualaikum dear students. It is 10th class math and we are discussing this arithmetic progression. In our previous lesson we discussed some questions. How to find the sum of n terms of an AP Sn. This is equivalent to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is the number of terms, A is the first term, and D is the common difference, you know. And this is how we can find this sum of n terms of an AP. Now, for this we have already up to question number 3 and some parts of question number 3 we have already attempted. Now, part number 4 of this question number 3. Question number 3 and question number 3 has got 10 parts. And fourth part is A3, that is term 3 is equivalent to 15, that is third term is 15, and S10, sum of first 10 terms, is equal to 125. We have to find this N and A10. We have to find D. Since the number is given, it is 10. So N is 10. N is equal to 10. We have to find the common difference and also the 10th term. 10th term, you know, it is A plus 9D. Now, first of all, let us write what is this A3. This is third term, and we know third term is written as A plus 2D is equal to 15. This is equation number first. Now, this S10, we know this is S10, sum of 10 terms, that is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 125. Now this n is 10, so this is 10 divided by 2. 2a plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is equal to 125. 2 1s are 2 5s are. This is 5 into, this is 2a plus 9d is equal to taking 5 common out of this. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 and 5 will cancel, and we are left with 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. This is equation number second. Now we have got a set of pair of this linear equation. A plus 2d is equal to 15, and second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now solving these two linear equations in two variables by elimination method. Here we are multiplying first equation by 2 and second equation by 1, because we know here the coefficient of first a is 1 and second a is 2. Now multiplying this 2 to first equation and 1 to second equation, then we get this is a plus 2d is equal to 15. This equation should be multiplied by 2 by elimination method. This is 2 plus 9d is equal to 25. This equation is to be multiplied by 1. That's the coefficient of A. Now what do we get is this is 2a plus 4d is equal to 2. 15s are 30. This is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now subtracting we get this will minus, this and this will go. This is minus 5d. Out of 9d we subtract 4d, obviously we get minus 5d, and out of 30 we subtract 25, we get 5. So d is equivalent to 5 minus divided by 5, 5 1s are, so d is equal to minus 1. This is our common difference. So our d is minus 1. Now we have to find 10th term, A10, and this we know this is equal to a plus 9d. And what is this a plus 9d? A is we know what is A. We have to find first A. Let us substituting the value of D in first. Substituting the value of D in equation first. What is our equation first? It is A plus 2D is equal to 15. This is A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. This is A minus 2 is equal to 15. What is A? It is 15 plus 2. So A is equal to 17. Now we know what is A and what is D. these two terms we need, A and D. Once we know these two terms, we can construct any kind of AP. So here, now we have to find this 10th term, A10. This is equal to A plus 9D. You know, A is 17 plus 9 into D is minus 1. So 17 minus 9, this is equal to 8. So 10th term is 8. So this was part number 4th of question number 3. Now, similarly, given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, and find A and S8, A9 again. That's 9th term you have to find, and also you have to find the first term, A. Now let us, this is how it goes. So dear students, we are on our way to complete inshallah our syllabus, but the students are not connected with these classes, so you can ask your friends to please get connected so that their syllabus will get completed. And we have already completed this real numbers, number system I may say, then linear equation in two variables, then quadratic equation and polynomials. Now the 4th chapter is 5th chapter, this AP, and after this inshallah we are taking the similar triangles. Now first of all let us complete this. This is 5th part of exercise. Now what is given is D is equal to 5, common difference is 5, and S9, sum of the first 9 terms is equal to 75. We have to find A and 8, 9. Now 9th term and first term, you have to find these terms. So S9, you know what is S9? This is n by 2 into 2a, sum of first 9 term plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 75. So n we know this is 9 by 2 into 2a. This is 2a plus n is 9 minus 1 into d. What is d? It is 5. Is equal to 75. Solving further, this is 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8, 5s are 40. So, sorry, 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5 is equal to 75. So proceeding for this, 9 divided by a into 2a plus 8, 5s are 40 is equal to 75, taking 2 common. Sorry, this is 2. So this is 9 divided by 2, taking 2 common, this is a plus 20 is equal to 75. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We are left with 9 into a plus 20 is equal to 75. Now what is this? This is 9a plus 9 to the 180 is equal to 75. So 9a is equal to 75 minus 180. So 9a is equal to, yes, 105 minus, so what is a? It is minus 105 divided by 9. 105 divided by 9. So first part, D is equal to 5 and S. D is equal to 5 and S. So proceeding further, this is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 3 5s are. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3. This is our first term. Now we have to find this A9. A9 is 9th term, that is A plus 8D. A is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D is 5. So this is minus 35 by 3 plus 40 divided by 1. This is minus 35 plus 120 divided by 3 ones are 3 by cross multiplication. So we are left with 120 minus 35. So this is 5, this is 8 here, minus 85, sorry, plus 85 divided by 3. And this is the ninth term, A9, 85 by 3. 85 by 3, yes, this is correct. Now sixth part is A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 8. You have to find Sn. Sn is equivalent to 90. Sn you know is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to 90. Now you have to find what is n. This is fifth part. This was fifth part. Now sixth part of the exercise. This is sixth part is A is equal to 2. What is D? D is equal to 8 and Sn. Sn is equal to 90. What is our Sn? So Sn is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to 90. So n, this is to be determined. What is n? 2 into 2 plus n is n minus 1 into D is 8 is equivalent to 90. Now this is n by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus, sorry, plus 8 into n is 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. We multiply n minus 1 by this 8. 8 is into n is 8n. 8 1s are minus 8. So this is further equal to n by 2 into, this is 8n minus 4. Out of 8 we are subtracting this 4. It is obviously minus 4 is equivalent to 90. Now taking 2 common from this is n by 2. When we take 2 common, this is 4n minus 2 is equal to 90. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We are left with n into 4n minus 2 is equivalent to 90. Now this is 4n square minus 2n is equivalent to 90. Now taking 2 common from both sides, this is 2 into, this is 2n square minus n. 245s are, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This is quadratic equation now. 2n square minus n is equal to 45, or we can write like this: 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in n, and we know there are 3 methods how to solve a quadratic equation. Now we shall here apply this factorization method. This is 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now what is here A? A is 2 and C is minus 45. And A into C is 2 into minus 45 is minus 90. Now we have to break this middle term in such a way such that the difference is equal to minus 90. So this is 2n square minus 90. Yes, this is minus 10n plus 9n. Now see, 10 9s are 90. Out of 10 we are subtracting 9, that is minus 1. Yes, minus 45 is equal to 0. So taking 2n common, we are left with n minus 10. Now here in this group we are taking 9 common, and 9 5s are, sorry, this is through 2 5s are, 9 5s are 45. So n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Now either n minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Now here n is equal to 5. This is our answer. Now this 2n is equal to minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. This is absurd because number of the terms of an AB cannot be negative. So this is absurd. So n is equal to 5. The number of terms in this AP is 5. So n is equal to 5. This was to be determined. What is n? What is our n? What is n? Yes. So n is equal to 5. This was part number. Also we have to find what is an. sorry. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A, we know what is a. Our a is 2. This is 2 plus n is 5. Minus 1 into d, what is d? D is 8. So this is 2 plus 4 into 8. This is 2 plus 4, it is our 32, 34. So an is equal to 34. So this was very important. Now proceeding further, sixth part, seventh, this was sixth part. Now seventh part is a is equal to 8, an is equal to 2, Sn is equal to 210. I think you will try it at your places. Next part. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall proceed further in this exercise, and there are about, how many questions are there? There are 20 questions. Still we have to attempt as many as 16 questions to complete this chapter. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall proceed further. Till then, Allah Hafiz.